time out.
This should only take like 5 minutes here.
Why?
No. Why did the banker quit his job?
Why?
He lost interest. Alright.
This guy's a good little chuckle. Walks out of the room.
That would actually make sense though.
Does. Both ways. Yeah, it's a little double meaning, like the pirate.
Yup. Yup.
I decided no quiz. What I'm going to do today is give you a review worksheet for transformations.
Jesus is always the answer.
Yes.
You're calling for him. So you'll have today, and then tomorrow I'm going to give you another review worksheet
Another
to
one.
prepare for the test, which will happen next week. So that's your next 2 days. Would you keep it down over there, please, Mary Chris? I'm trying to teach something here.
Alright,
Okay, your review worksheet will have some graphs that you're going to have to match. Well, it's going to give you an equation and a multiple choice, but I don't think you've ever seen one like this. The absolute value of x squared minus 4.
What the?
Would you have any idea how to graph that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Wait.
Besides plugging in points in the calculator.
Never mind.
Okay.
Move to the right 4.
Does that work?
Well, always.
Yeah, moves to the
That
right
works for
four, and then
everything.
you would go by one.
Well, because you're just going to do matching, I decided that I'm not going to have you like sit there and graph. It's very tedious and takes forever, and you could use a freaking graphing calculator. But
I don't know how to do
so, you don't know how to do that?
that.
Oh, that's right. When we took that quiz, I was like, I'll just graph it.
What the hell's wrong with you?
Maybe I'll teach you how to use a graphing calculator before you leave here. So, anyway, to do something like this, where it's like two different, like you have an absolute value and an x squared, you can do the inside first, or this might only work with absolute values. I don't know. Do the inside first. Do you know how to graph that?
Yes.
Yes. Isn't it like to the
It's
left?
a
It's
to the right, like move to the right 4.
No. It would not move to the right 4.
We move to the low.
No.
Move down.
It would move down 4.
How do you
Oh.
figure that?
It's not this.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why.
Yeah.
That's why.
Okay, so
Duh.
that piece would look like that. There's my. And now you're going to do the absolute value of that graph. So what is the absolute value going to do?
It's all positive.
It's going to make everything positive, isn't it?
Yeah.
So all that happens is all this down here will now go up here.
What the heck?
There's your graph.
What in tarnation?
That's what it looks like.
What in graphing equations?
That's dope.
Because the absolute value just took that one and made everything positive.
Oh.
I thought that the absolute value was supposed to make it turn into a V.
That's only true because it's a lot. It makes it turn into a V because if you just have like, that's a line, right? But it can only be positive. So there it is.
Wait, then what's happening on SMHD?
That's what absolute values do.
You just broke Galen's brain.
On the left,
He's not even trying to get an education.
it looks like a W because what's on the bottom just flips up.
Yeah, all that just flips up and becomes positive.
Yeah.
So like those big negatives become big positives, and those small negatives become small positives. It just reflects it over the x-axis. So like if you add something like even crazier, like
Yeah, dude.
the absolute value of 1 over x minus 2. You want to graph 1 over x minus 2?
Down 2. Or to the right 2.
To the right 2.
Right,
Yeah.
2.
1, 2. There'd be like an asymptote right there, right? It's not up or down, so it'd just be something like this. Right?
Yes, sir.
Well, now that it's absolute value,
You just flip it up.
that negative one just gets flipped up, and it looks like almost an x.
Oh, I think you showed us that.
So they just go next to each other?
I showed you an x squared
Well,
one.
Anything that goes if negative. you flip it.
Anything that's negative just becomes positive.
Wait. So go back to that other one, like the x squared minus. So You mean to tell me that that thing flips?
Oh.
I don't know. And it looks like a sea dragon? Wait, what?
Yeah,
What?
that's what the graph looks like.
I had no idea what you were doing. Sea dragon? I understand.
There it is.
Dang. You're a genius. I don't know how you got sea dragon.
Yeah, I don't see how you get a sea dragon.
I don't know
What
sea
is
dragon
it?
Well, because the sea
But then
dragon
again,
is like the
my mind-
head with like the lumps in the water.
My mind
What's a
automatically
sea
goes
dragon?
to
You know, like
Submariner.
the map,
Sea monster?
As in, my brain goes straight
Oh.
to Submariner.
Oh, so I'm
Sea
good.
dragon Leviathan.
You know, like the Loch Ness monster?
Yeah.
That looks more like a sea
I thought
dragon.
you guys were talking about a water horse.
Oh, C, like
Seahorse?
SEA
No, a
dragon.
water horse.
What the heck
Sea-
were you?
Like the
Oh,
letter
horsey?
C.
A sea dragon?
Sea drag. Okay.
You guys invested way.
Folks. We're just reviewing. That's what it looks like if you care to get started early.
Pause it and write it down.
And then the back, that's crazy unit. I mean, it's like the credits at the end of the movie.
Hopkins, how big is your fan base now?
42 still hasn't really grown.
I want to subscribe to you. I'll make it for you.
You have not subscribed to anything?
Oh, and then tomorrow's Friday. I'm probably not gonna. I think I said I'm probably not gonna make a video like yesterday or something, and then I did make one. I don't remember. Yeah, tomorrow they're just getting a review worksheet, so I guess I can make a video and show it.
So we don't do
But
stuff like
who
that.
is honestly gonna get home at midnight Saturday then work on pre-calc Sunday before
What?
that?
That graph looks
They
small.
should, because they have a test next week.
Wait,
but
what?
will they?
Who?
I don't know.